Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Saira. Children, this is the biology video of 9th class and we are having our chapter number 5, Why Do We Fall Ill? Children, here we will discuss about the health and its failure, about the different types of diseases, how these diseases are spreading, then the types of diseases, and the diseases which are caused by different microbes. We will discuss all about these things. So I'm starting the video, I'm starting the topics with health and its failure. So the first topic here is health and its failure. Health is described as the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. For maintaining a healthy life cycle, a person needs to have a balanced and varied diet, needs to exercise, live regularly in a proper shelter and get enough sleep. Our health is affected not only by unbalanced diet but also by disease-causing organisms, which may be waterborne, airborne or foodborne. Some diseases are caused by infection through microbes, insects and parasites. Therefore, to prevent the infection of diseases, we need to keep our environment clean and hygienic. Now, children, I am discussing about the disease and its causes. The term disease means dis-ease or without ease or discomfort. It can also be defined as an impairment of the normal state of the living organism that disturbs or modifies the performance of the vital functions. Now, the sources of diseases. Intrinsic or internal factors. The disease-causing factors which exist within the human body are called intrinsic factors. Improper functioning of various body parts such as heart, liver, kidney, etc. or genetic disorder or hormonal imbalances, or we can say malfunctioning of immune system. The second one is extrinsic or external factors. The diseases causing external agents which enter the human body from outside are referred to as extrinsic factors. And these factors can be there because of unbalanced diet, disease-causing microbes, environmental pollutants, tobacco, alcohol and narcotic drugs. Now, the two types of diseases are there, infectious and non-infectious diseases. The first one is infectious diseases. The diseases which spread from one infected person to other normal persons by various methods are called infectious diseases. And the examples are cholera, AIDS, malaria, etc. Now the second one is non-infectious diseases. The diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-infectious diseases. Examples are diabetes, goiter, hypertension, etc. Now children, the other two types of diseases are acute and chronic diseases. The diseases which last for only short period of time are called acute diseases. And the examples are cold, cough, typhoid, cholera, etc. And the diseases which last for a long period of time are called chronic diseases. They are diabetes, cancer, arthritis, tuberculosis, etc. Now children, the next topic is means of spread of infection or infectious diseases. It should be infectious. Infectious, okay? Infectious. The various methods are airborne diseases, these spread through air. Transmission of microbes occur through the little droplets coughed out by an infected person who sneezes or coughs. Waterborne diseases spread through water occur when a person takes microbes containing dirty water. Next is sexually transmitted diseases. Pathogens are transmitted by sexual contact from one partner to the other. Formite-borne diseases occur when articles coming in contact with patients act as sources of infection, like door handles, taps, garments, currency, etc. When infected person touches all these things and then a healthy person touches all these things, then infection moves from one person to another person. Now, spread of disease through vectors. Vectors means animals or insects through which infection is transferring from one body to another body. So, vectors like animals can transfer infecting agents from a sick person to another host. Examples are mosquitoes, housefly, rats, etc. Now, children, the next topic is prevention of infectious diseases. Actually, public hygiene is one basic key to the prevention of infectious diseases. If we want to prevent these diseases, we can follow the following practices also. To avoid exposure to airborne microbes. For this, we have to avoid the places which are overcrowded. Second one is to prevent exposure to waterborne microbes, like safe drinking water should be provided. Third is to avoid vector-borne infections. We can provide clean environment for this purpose. Now here you can see various diseases are given here and which are caused by different microorganisms. Like first one is the bacterial diseases, tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid. These are bacterial diseases and their mode of transmission is also written here. Tuberculosis, it transmits through air. Cholera, it transmits from water or food, and typhoid, it transmits from water. The viral or diseases which are caused by virus are measles, caused by air, chickenpox, which is transmitted through air or contact, polio, it is transmitted by air or water, hepatitis A, it is transmitted through water. And the diseases which are caused by protozoans, they are like malaria, which is caused by mosquito vector. Now, next is Pulse Polio program. You must be knowing about this program. Actually, poliomyelitis or polio is a disease of the nervous system caused by virus called poliovirus. This virus enters the body through the food and water and reaches the intestine. And from there, it enters the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. How? By bloodstream. It destroys the motor nerve cells of the spinal cord. Polio is a kind of paralysis and mostly affects the legs. Children between the age of 6 months and 3 years are most prone to polio infection. Oral polio vaccine is given orally to the children as per national immunization schedule in our country. The Pulse Polio immunization program seems to be a successful program, and because of this the cases has decreased dramatically. So children, I have finished this chapter with all these topics which are coming in your course. You just prepare all these topics for exams and write down all these notes in your notebook. Thank you. Sai Ram, children.